What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Have Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm gonna show you an amazing tweak that you must download. This tweak will transform your home screen experience by bringing page animations customization to the iPhone's home screen. This amazing tweak adds some animations to your home screen while scrolling through pages. This tweak adds amazing animations to your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch running iOS 11 up to iOS 18. Veteran jailbreakers will be familiar with tweak, which was perhaps one of the most popular jailbreak tweaks of all time. It essentially allowed you to change the paging animation exhibited by swiping from one home screen page to the next, and to say it was a hit would be an understatement. This tweak is different from the alternatives because it uses Swift for coding the animation, therefore promising improved battery life and performance over the alternatives' Lua-based animations. This tweak comes with a huge number of customization options, and now I'm going to show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Cydia or whatever you are using. I will open Cydia. Go to the sources here and make sure to add this repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for Cylinder Remade. And as you see, this is the tweak. Cylinder Remade tweak, as I said, designed to make your home screen smarter and more beautiful. Cylinder Remade is a jailbreak tweak inspired by the Barrel app, allowing you to play various animations when swiping the screens. It supports 10 home screen icon animations and effects. If you are tired of the boring home screen page animation, this tweak changes the boring slide animation of icons to barrel-inspired effects known from Linux. Every time when you move to a next page on your home screen, a new animation can be triggered. Cylinder Remade isn't anticipated to fully replace Cylinder Reborn, but rather to coexist as an alternative for users who want the enhanced performance rather than the animation flexibility. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here, now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is of course enable the tweak from here. Okay, so this is the tweak. It has some options to customize. I'm gonna quickly explain all these options. So the first option here is effects. Here you can choose from 10 different animations. Those include ant lines, backward, card, checkerboard, cube inside, cube outside, double door and more. Okay, I will test card animation. As you can see, it's really beautiful animation. Just select the animation you want and go to the home screen and enjoy the new experience. Okay, let's try shrink animation. As you see, the tweak adds these beautiful animations to your home screen. Okay, I will try wave animation, and that's it. Just choose any animation you want and enjoy. In formulas option here, it allows you to save specific effect combinations and their order of selection. Cylinder will remember specific effect formulas and their order of selection. Just enable favorite formula at any time to use a combination of animation effects with Cylinder Reborn and Cylinder Remade. And finally, with the Randomize option, you can select any animations you want and it will activate random icon animations. Multiple effects can be selected. So how to do that? Simply go to effects option here and now select which effect you want to use. When you select an effect, it will show you a number here. This allows you to see how many effects you've selected. Okay, let's try it. And as you can see, every time you move between pages, you will see a different animation. How cool is that? Cylinder Remade tweak is a sophisticated jailbreak tweak for iOS that fundamentally reimagines the classic page turn animation of the home screen. The one you see right now is my favorite animation. I really enjoy using this tweak. So this is the tweak. This tweak lets you animate your icons when you swipe pages on the springboard. Cylinder Remade makes your experience smarter and more beautiful. It's a beautiful way to turn your home screen into something different. Cylinder Remade is a tweak that aims to maximize the performance of Cylinder while sacrificing its customizability and easiness to change. This is not intended as a replacement for Cylinder Reborn, but instead an alternative. It's a really beautiful tweak that I recommend you to give it a try. The repo is in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.